Alliance and LoRa on its own enable us to come much more quicker to the end customer. This is the lightning strike counters. It's mounted on the lightning down conductor. It clips off, just brace around the conductor and clips on.
Yeah.
And it measures when the lightning strikes. It measures the amplitude of the strikes and counts the number of the strikes. Then the data is calculated in the product itself and transferred via LoRa network to our server when we do predictive maintenance scheduling. The focus market for the product is telecom operators for the base station protection and different industries, and also the special remote installation. Our product, it has special features. It's simple to install, so you don't need to disturb existing installation. It just clips on. It has a wireless communication, which is quite new in this field, and it's based on LoRaWAN protocol. This product is installed on remote location on lightning down conductors, and it measures, it counts number of lightning strikes and measures the amplitude of the lightning strike. With this information, we are able to determine when to send maintenance crew to the remote location to simplify and to prevent breakage of the equipment.